12th Standard Accountancy Multi-Choice Questions and Answers, Tamil Nadu Board. Unit 1, Accounts from Incomplete Records. Question number 1. Incomplete records are generally maintained by option A, a company, B, government, C, small size sole trader business, D, multinational enterprise. The answer is option C, small size sole trader business. Question number 2. Statement of affairs is option A, statement of income and expenditure. Option B, statement of assets and liabilities. Option C, summary of cash transaction. Option D, summary of credit transaction. The answer is option B, statement of assets and liabilities. Question number 3. Opening statement of affairs is usually prepared to find out the option A, capital in the beginning of the year. Option B, capital at the end of the year. Option C, profit made during the year. Option D, loss occurred during the year. And the answer is option A, capital in the beginning of the year. Question number 4. The excess of assets over liability is option A, loss. Option B, cash. Option C, capital. Option D, profit. And the answer is option C, capital. Question number 5. Which of the following items relating to bills payable is transferred to total creditors account? Option A, opening balance of bills payable. Option B, closing balance of bills payable. Option C, bills payable accepted during the year. Option D, cash paid for bills payable. The answer is option C, bills payable accepted during the year. Question number 6. The amount of credit sales can be computed from option A, total debtors account. Option B, total creditors account. Option C, bills receivable account. Option D, bills payable account. The answer is option A, total debtors account. Question number 7. Which one of the following statement is not true in relation to incomplete records? Option A, it is an unscientific method of recording transactions. Option B, records are maintained only for cash and personal accounts. Option C, it is suitable for all types of organization. Option D, tax authorities do not accept. The answer is, it is suitable for all types of organization. Option C. Question number 8. What is the amount of capital of the proprietor if his assets are 85,000 and liabilities are 21,000? Option A, 85,000. Option B, 1,06,000. Option C, 21,000. Option D, 64,000. And the answer is option D, 64,000. Question number 9. When the capital in the beginning is rupees 10,000, drawings during the year is rupees 6,000, profit made during the year is rupees 2,000, and the additional capital introduced is rupees 3,000, find out the amount of capital at the end. Option A, 9,000. Option B, 11,000. Option C, 21,000. Option D, 3,000. Answer is option A, 9,000. Question number 10. Opening balance of debtors is rupees 30,000. Cash received is rupees 1 lakh. Credit sales is rupees 90,000. Closing balance of debtors is option A, 30,000. Option B, 1,30,000. Option C, 40,000. Option D, 20,000. The answer is option D, 20,000. Unit 2.
Accounts of not-for-profit organization.
Question number 11. Receipts and payments account is a option A, nominal account. Option B, real account. Option C, personal account. Option D, representative personal account. The answer is option B, real account. Question number 12. Receipts and payments account records receipts and payments of option A, revenue nature only. Option B, capital nature only. Option C, both revenue and capital nature. Option D, none of the above. The answer is option C, both revenue and capital nature. Question number 13. Balance of receipts and payments account indicates the option A, loss incurred during the period. Option B, excess of income over expenditure of the period. Option C, total cash payments during the period. Option D, cash and bank balance as on date. The answer is option D, cash and bank balance as on date. Question number 14. Income and expenditure account is a option A nominal account, option B real account, option C personal account, option D representative personal account. The answer is option A nominal account. Question number 15. Income and expenditure account is prepared to find out option A profit or loss, option C cash and bank balance, option C surplus or deficit, option D financial position. The answer is option C surplus or deficit.
Question number 16. Which of the following should not be recorded in the income and expenditure account? Option A, sale of old newspapers. B, loss on sale of asset. C, honorarium paid to the secretary. D, sale proceeds of furniture. And the right answer is option D, sale proceeds of furniture.
Question number 17. Subscription due but not received for the current year is option A, an asset, option B, a liability, option C, an expense, option D, an item to be ignored. The answer is option A, an asset. Question number 18. Legacy is a option A, revenue expenditure, option B, capital expenditure, option C, revenue receipt, option D, capital receipt. The answer is option D, capital receipt. Question number 19. Donation received for a specific purpose is option A, revenue receipt, option B, capital receipt, option C, revenue expenditure, option D, capital expenditure. The answer is option B, capital receipt. Question number 20. There are 500 members in a club, each paying ₹100 as annual subscription. Subscriptions due but not received for the current year is 200. Subscription received in advance is 300. Find out the amount of subscription to be shown in the income and expenditure account. Option A, 50,000. Option B, 50,200. Option C, 49,900. Option D, 49,800. The answer is option A, 50,000. Unit 3. Accounts of partnership firms fundamentals. Question number 21. In the absence of a partnership deed, profits of a firm will be shared by the partners in option A, equal ratio, option B, capital ratio, option C, both A and B, option D, none of these. The answer is option A, equal ratio. Question number 22. In the absence of an agreement among the partners, interest on capital is option A, not allowed, option B, allowed at bank rate, option C, allowed at 5% per annum, option D, allowed at 6% per annum. The answer is option A, not allowed.
Question number 23. As per the Indian Partnership Act 1932, the rate of interest allowed on loans advanced by partners is option A, 8% per annum, B, 12% per annum, C, 5% per annum, D, 6% per annum. And the right answer is option D, 6% per annum.
Question number 24. Which of the following is shown in profit and loss appropriation account? Option A, office expenses, option B, salary of staff, option C, partner's salary, option D, interest on bank loan. The answer is option C, partner's salary. Question number 25. When fixed capital method is adopted by a partnership firm, which of the following items will appear in the capital account? Option A, additional capital introduced, B, interest on capital, C, interest on drawings, D, share of profit. The answer is option A, additional capital introduced. Question number 26. When a partner withdraws regularly a fixed sum of money at the middle of every month, period for which interest should be calculated on drawings on an average is option A, 5.5 months, option B, 6 months, option C, 12 months, option D, 6.5 months. The answer is option B, 6 months. Question number 27. Which of the following pair is incorrect? Option A, interest on drawings is debited to the capital account. Option B, interest on capital is credited to the capital account. Option C, interest on loan is debited to the capital account. Option D, share of profit is credited to the capital account. The answer is option C, interest on loan is debited to the capital account. Question number 28. In the absence of an agreement, partners are entitled to option A, salary, B, commission, C, interest on loan, D, interest on capital. Answer is option C, interest on loan. Question number 29. Pick the odd one out. Partners share profit and losses equally. B, interest on partners' capital is allowed at 7% per annum. C, no salary or remuneration is allowed to the partners. D, interest on loan from partners is allowed at 6% per annum. And the answer is interest on partners' capital is allowed at 7% per annum.
Question number 30. Profit after interest on drawings, interest on capital and remuneration is rupees 10,500. Geeta, a partner, is entitled to receive commission at 5% on profits after charging such commission. Find out commission. The options are option A, rupees 50, B, rupees 150, C, rupees 550, D, rupees 500. And the right answer is option D, rupees 500.
Unit 4, Goodwill in Partnership Account. Question number 31. Which of the following statements is true? Option A, goodwill is an intangible asset. Option B, goodwill is a current asset. Option C, goodwill is a fictitious asset. Option C, goodwill cannot be acquired. The answer is option A, goodwill is an intangible asset. Question number 32. Super profit is the difference between option A, capital employed and average profit. Option B, assets and liabilities. Option C, average profit and normal profit. Option D, current year's profit and average profit. The answer is option C, average profit and normal profit. Question number 33. The average rate of return of a similar concern is considered as option A, average profit. Option B, normal rate of return. Option C, expected rate of return. Option D, none of these. The answer is option B, normal rate of return. Question number 34. Which of the following is true? Option A, super profit is equal to total profit by number of years. Option B, super profit is equal to weighted profit by number of years. Option C, super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Option D, super profit is equal to average profit into years of purchase. The answer is option C, super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Question number 35. Identify the incorrect pair. Option A, goodwill under APM is equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. Option B, goodwill under SPM is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. Option C, goodwill under annuity method is equal to average profit into present value of annuity factor. Option D, goodwill under weighted average is equal to weighted average profit into number of years of purchase. The answer is option C, goodwill under annuity method is equal to average profit into present value annuity factor. Question number 36. When the average profit is 25,000 and the normal profit is 15,000, super profit is option A, 25,000, option B, 5,000, option C, 10,000, option D, 15,000. And the answer is option C, 10,000.
Question number 37. Book profit of 2017 is rupees 35,000. Non-recurring income included in the profit is rupees 1,000 and abnormal loss charged in the year 2017 was rupees 2,000. Then the adjusted profit is option A, 36,000, B, 35,000, C, 38,000, D, 34,000. And the right answer is option A, rupees 36,000.
Question number 38. The total capitalized value of business is rupees 1 lakh. Assets are rupees 1,50,000 and liabilities are rupees 80,000. The value of goodwill as per capitalization method will be option A, 40,000, B, 70,000, C 1 lakh and D 30,000. The answer is option D 30,000. Unit 5, Admission of a Partner. Question number 39. Revaluation account is a option A real account, option B nominal account, option C personal account, option D impersonal account. And the answer is option B nominal account. Question number 40. On revaluation, the increase in value of assets leads to option A gain, option B loss, option C expense, option D none of these. And the answer is option A gain. Question number 41. The profit or loss on revaluation of assets and liabilities is transferred to the capital account of A old partners, B new partners, C all the partners, D sacrificing partners. The answer is option A old partners. Question number 42. If the old profit sharing ratio is more than the new profit sharing ratio of a partner, the difference is called A capital ratio, B sacrificing ratio, C gaining ratio, D none of these. The answer is option B sacrificing ratio. Question number 43. At the time of admission, the goodwill bought by the new partner may be credited to the capital accounts of option A all the partner, option B old partner, option C new partner, option D sacrificing partner. The answer is option D sacrificing partners. Question number 44. Which of the following statements is not true in relation to admission of a partner? Option A. Generally mutual rights of the partner change. Option B. The profits and losses of the previous years are distributed to the old partners. Option C. The firm is reconstituted under a new agreement. Option D. The existing agreement does not come to an end. The answer is option D. The existing agreement does not come to an end. Question number 45. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. List 1 sacrificing ratio, number 1 investment fluctuation fund, 2 old profit sharing ratio, 2 accumulated profit, 3 revaluation account, 3 goodwill, 4 capital account, 4 unrecorded liability codes. The options are A 1234, B 3241, C 4321, D 3124. And the answer is option B 3241.
Question number 46. Select the odd one out. Option A, revaluation profit. B, accumulated loss. C, goodwill brought by new partner. D, investment fluctuation fund. And the right answer is option C, goodwill brought by new partner.
Question number 47. James and Kamal are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. They admit Sunil as a partner, giving him 1/5 share of profits. Find out the sacrificing ratio. Option A 1:03. Option B 3:01. C 5:03. D 3:05. And the right answer for this question is option C 5:03. Question number 48. Balaji and Kamalesh are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They admit Yogesh into partnership. The new profit sharing ratio between Balaji, Kamalesh and Yogesh is agreed to 3:1:1. Find out the sacrificing ratio between Balaji and Kamalesh. Option A 1:3, B 3:1, C 2:1 and D 1:2. The answer is option D 1:2. Unit 6. Retirement and death of a partner. Question number 49. A partner retires from a partnership firm on 30th June. He is liable for all acts of the firm up to option A, end of the current accounting period, option B, end of the previous accounting period, option D, date of his retirement, option D, date of his final settlement. The answer is option C, date of his retirement. Question number 50. On retirement of a partner from a partnership firm, accumulated profits and losses are distributed to the partners in the option A, new profit sharing ratio, option B, old profit sharing ratio, option C, gaining ratio, option D, sacrificing ratio. The answer is option B, old profit sharing ratio. Question number 51. On retirement of a partner, general reserve is transferred to the option A, capital account of all partners, option B, revaluation account, option C, capital account of all continuing partners, option D, memorandum revaluation account. And the answer is option A, capital account of all partners. Question number 52. On revaluation, the increase in liability leads to option A, gain, B, loss, C, profit, D, none of these. The answer is option B, loss. Question number 53. At the time of retirement of a partner, determination of gaining ratio is required. Option A, to transfer revaluation profit or loss. Option B, to distribute accumulated profit and losses. C, to adjust goodwill. D, none of these. The answer is option C, to adjust goodwill. Question number 54. In the final amount due to the retiring partner is not paid immediately, it is transferred to A, bank account, B, retiring partner's capital account, C, retiring partner's loan account, D, other partner's capital account. Option C, retiring partner's loan account is the answer. Question number 55. A was a partner in a partnership firm. He died on 31st March 2019. The final amount due on him was 25,000, which was not paid immediately. It will be transferred to option A, A's capital account, B, A's current account, C, A's executor account, D, A's executor loan account. And the answer is option D, A's executor loan account. Question number 56. A, B and C are partners sharing profits in a ratio 2:2:1. On retirement of B, goodwill of the firm was valued as rupees 30,000. Find out the contribution of A and C to compensate B. Option A, rupees 20,000 and 10,000. Option B, rupees 8,000 and 4,000. Option C, rupees 10,000 and 20,000. Option D, rupees 15,000 and 15,000. The answer is option B, rupees 8,000 and 4,000. Question number 57. A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 4:2:3. C retires. The new profit sharing ratio of A and B will be option A, 4:3, option B, 3:4, option C, 2:1, option D, 1:2. And the answer is option C, 2:1. Question number 58. X, Y and Z were partners sharing profits and losses equally. X died on 1st April 2019. Find out the share of X in the profit of 2019 based on the profit of 2018, which showed rupees 36,000. The options are A, rupees 1,000, B, rupees 3,000, C, rupees 12,000 and option D, rupees 36,000. The answer is option B, rupees 3,000. Unit 7, Company Accounts.
Question number 59. A preference share is 1, which carries preferential right with respect to payment of dividend at fixed rate. 2, which carries preferential right with respect to repayment of capital on winding up. The options are only 1 is correct, B, only 2 is correct, C, both 1 and 2 are correct, D, both 1 and 2 are incorrect. The right answer is option C, both 1 and 2 are correct.
Question number 60. The part of share capital which can be called up only on winding up the company is called option A, authorized capital, B, called up capital, C, capital reserve, D, reserve capital. The answer is option D, reserve capital. Question number 61. At the time of forfeiture, share capital account is debited with option A, face value, B, nominal value, C, paid up amount, D, called up amount. The answer is D, called up amount. Question number 62. After the forfeited shares are reissued, the balance in the forfeited share account should be transferred to A, general reserve account, B, capital reserve account, C, securities premium account, D, surplus account. The answer is option B, capital reserve account. Question number 63. The amount received over and above the par value is credited to A. Securities premium account, B. Calls in advance account, C. Share capital account, D. Forfeited shares account. The answer is option C. Share capital account. Question number 64. Which of the following statement is false? Option A. Issued capital can never be more than authorized capital. Option B. In case of undersubscription, issued capital will be less than the subscribed capital. Option C. Reserve capital can be called at the time of winding up. Option D. Paid up capital is a part of called up capital. The answer is option B. In case of undersubscription, issued capital will be less than the subscribed capital. Question number 65. When shares are issued for the purchase of asset, the amount should be credited to option A. Vendor's account, B. Sundry asset account, C. Share capital account, D. Bank account. The answer is option C. Share capital account. Question number 66. Match the pair and identify the correct option. 1. Undersubscription. 1. Amount prepaid for calls. 2. Oversubscription. 2. Subscription above the offered shares. 3. Calls in arrears. 3. Subscription below the offered shares. 4. Calls in advance. 4. Amount unpaid on calls. The options are A. 1, 2, 3, 4, B. 4, 3, 2, 1, C. 3, 2, 4, 1, D. 3, 4, 1, 2. And the answer is option C. 3, 2, 4, 1. Question number 67. If the share of rupees 10 on which rupees 8 has been paid up is forfeited, minimum reissue price is A. Rupees 10 per share, B. Rupees 8 per share, C. Rupees 5 per share, D. Rupees 2 per share. The answer is option D. Rupees 2 per share. Question number 68. Supreme Limited forfeited 100 shares of rupees 10 each for non-payment of final call of rupees 2 per share. All these shares were reissued at rupees 9 per share. What amount will be transferred to the capital reserve account? Option A 700, B 800, C 900, D 1000. And the answer is option A 700. Unit 8. Financial Statement Analysis. Question number 69. Which of the following statements is not true? Option A. Notes and schedules also form a part of financial statement. Option B. The tools of financial statement analysis include common size statement. Option C. Trend analysis refers to the study of movement of figures for 1 year. Option D. Common size statements show the relationship of various items with some common base. And the answer is option C. Trend analysis refers to the study of movement of figures for 1 year. Question number 70. Balance sheet provides the information about financial position of a business concern. Option A. Over a period of time. Option B. As on particular date. Option C. For a period of time. Option D. For a accounting period. The answer is option B. As on particular date. Question number 71. Which of the following tools of financial statement analysis is suitable when the data relating to several years are to be analyzed? Option A. Cash flow statement. Option B. Common size statement. Option C. Comparative statement. Option D. Trend analysis. The answer is option D. Trend analysis. Question number 72. The financial statement do not exhibit option A. Non-monetary data, B. Past data, C. Short-term data, D. Long-term data. The answer is option A. Non-monetary data.
Question number 73. Which one of the following is not a tool of financial statement analysis? Option A. Trend analysis, B. Common size statement, C. Comparative statement, D. Standard costing. And the right answer for this question is option D. Standard costing.
Question number 74. The term fund refers to A. Current liabilities, B. Working capital, C. Fixed asset, D. Non-current asset. The answer is option D. Working capital. Question number 75. Which of the following statement is not true? A. All the limitations of financial statements are applicable to financial statement analysis also. Option B. Financial statement analysis is only the means and not an end. Option C. expert knowledge is not required in analyzing the financial statements. Option D, interpretation of analyzed data involves personal judgment. The answer is option C, expert knowledge is not required in analyzing financial statements. Question number 76. A limited company's sale has increased from 1,25,000 to 1,50,000. How does this appear in comparative income statement? A, 20%, B, 120%, C, minus 120%, D, minus 20%. The answer is option A, 20%. Question number 77. In a common size balance sheet, if the percentage of non-current asset is 75, what would be the percentage of current asset? A, 175, B, 125, C, 25, D, 100. The answer is option C, 25.
Question number 78. Expenses for a business for the first year were rupees 80,000. In the second year, it was increased to rupees 88,000. What is the trend percentage in the second year? The options are option A, 10%, B, 110%, C, 90%, D, 11%. And the right answer for this question is option B, 110%.
Unit 9, Ratio Analysis. Question number 79. The mathematical expression that provides a measure of relationship between two figures is called option A, conclusion, option B, ratio, option C, model, option D, decision. The answer is option B, ratio. Question number 80. Current ratio indicates option A, ability to meet short-term obligations, option B, efficiency of management, option C, profitability, option D, long-term solvency. The answer is option A, ability to meet short-term obligations. Question number 81. Current assets excluding inventory and prepaid expenses is called A, reserves, B, tangible assets, C, funds, D, quick assets. The answer is option D, quick assets. Question number 82. Debt equity ratio is a measure of A, short-term solvency, B, long-term solvency, C, profitability, D, efficiency. The answer is option B, long-term solvency. Question number 83. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. 1, current ratio, 2, net profit ratio, 3, debt equity ratio, 4, inventory turnover ratio. And the list 2 is 1, liquidity, 2, efficiency, 3, long-term solvency, 4, profitability. Codes are 1, 2, 3, 4. The options are A, 1, 4, 3, 2, B, 3, 2, 4, 1, C, 4, 3, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the answer is option A, 1, 4, 3, 2.
Question number 84. To test the liquidity of a concern, which of the following ratios are useful? 1, quick ratio, 2, net profit ratio, 3, debt equity ratio, 4, current ratio. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Option A, 1 and 2, B, 1 and 4, C, 2 and 3, D, 2 and 4. And the right answer for this question is option B, 1 and 4. Question number 85. Proportion of shareholders' fund to total assets is called option A, proprietary ratio, B, capital gearing ratio, C, debt equity ratio, D, current ratio. And the right answer is option A, proprietary ratio. Question number 86. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Option A, liquid ratio to proportion, B, gross profit ratio to percentage, C, fixed assets turnover ratio to percentage, D, debt equity ratio to proportion. And the right answer for this question is option C, fixed assets turnover ratio to percentage. Question number 87. Current liabilities, rupees 40,000. Current assets, rupees 1 lakh. Inventory, rupees 20,000. Quick ratio is option A, 1:01. B, 2.5:1. C, 2:01. D, 1:02. And the right answer for this question is option C, 2:01.
Question number 88. Cost of revenue from operations is 3 lakh. Inventory in the beginning of the year is 60,000. Inventory at the close of the year is 40,000. Inventory turnover ratio is option A 2 times, B 3 times, C 6 times, D 8 times. And the right answer is option C 6 times. Unit 10. Computerized Accounting System Tally.
Question number 89. Accounting report prepared according to the requirements of the user is option A, routine accounting report. B, special purpose report. C, trial balance. D, balance sheet. And the right answer for this question is option B, special purpose report.
Question number 90. Function key F11 is used for A. Company features, B. Accounting vouchers, C. Company configuration, D. None of these. And the answer is option A. Company features. Question number 91. Which submenu display groups ledgers, voucher types in Tally? Option A. Inventory vouchers. Option B. Accounting vouchers. Option C. Company info. Option D. Account info. And the answer is option D. Account info. Question number 92. What are the predefined ledgers in Tally? 1. Cash, 2. Profit and loss account, 3. Capital account. Options are 1 only, B only 2, C both 1 and 2, D both 2 and 3. And the right answer is option C both 1 and 2. Question number 93. Contra voucher is used for option A. Master entry. Option B. Withdrawal of cash from bank for office use. Option C. Reports. Option D. Credit purchase of asset. The answer is option B. Withdrawal of cash from bank for office use. Question number 94. Which is not the default group in Tally? Option A. Suspense account. B. Outstanding expense. C. Sales account. D. Investment. The answer is option B. Outstanding expense. Question number 95. Salary account comes under which of the following head? A. Direct income. B. Direct expense. C. Indirect income. D. Indirect expense. And the answer is option D. Indirect expense. Question number 96. Rupees 25,000 withdrawn from bank for office use. In which voucher type this transaction will be recorded? Option A. Contra voucher. B. Receipt voucher. C. Payment voucher. D. Sales voucher. And the answer is option A. Contra voucher. Question number 97. In which voucher type credit purchase of furniture is recorded in Tally? Option A. Receipt voucher. B. Journal voucher. C. Purchase voucher. D. Payment voucher. And the answer is option B. Journal voucher. And the last question, question number 98. Which of the following options is used to view trial balance from gateway of Tally? Option A. Gateway of Tally, reports, trial balance. Option B. Gateway of Tally, trial balance. Option C. Gateway of Tally, reports, display, trial balance. Option D. None of these. And the answer is option C. Gateway of Tally, to reports, to display, to trial balance.
டேய் அண்ணா, ஏன் இப்ப மூஞ்சி தொங்க போட்டு வச்சிருக்க?
நான் பிகாம் முடிச்சுட்டு சிஏ அட்டென்ட் பண்ணலான்னு இருந்தேன். ஆனா இப்ப ஜாப் போனா அதெல்லாம் பண்ண முடியாதுல்ல. அப்படி இல்லைன்னா இண்டிவிஜுவலா சிஏ ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணலான்னு இருந்தேன். பட் ஆனா என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் நிறைய பேர் இண்டிவிஜுவலா பண்ணி அட்டெம்ப்ட்ல இருக்காங்க. ஏதாவது இன்ஸ்டியூட்ல சேர்ந்து சிஏ படிக்கலாம்னா எந்த இன்ஸ்டியூட்ல சேர்ந்து படிக்கலாம்னு எனக்கு தெரியல.
அண்ணா, என்கிட்ட ஒரு நல்ல ஐடியா இருக்கு. எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு இன்ஜினியரிங்கும் மெடிக்கல்ஸும் எனக்கு செட் ஆகாதோன்னு தோணுது. பேசாம சிஏ பண்ணலாமான்னு யோசிக்கிறேன்.
இந்த ஸ்மார்ட் போல இருந்து
லாஸ்ட் இயர் டிவி ப்ரோக்ராம் பார்த்தேன். அதுல ஒருத்தர் கெரியர் அட்வைஸ் கொடுத்தாரு. அதை கேட்டதுல இருந்து எனக்கு அதுவே மைண்ட்ல ஓடிட்டே இருக்கு.
சிஏ பண்ணதெல்லாம் அவ்வளவு ஈஸி கிடையாது. உங்களுக்கே ஒரு நியாயம் வேண்டாமா?
ப்ரோ அதெல்லாம் எனக்கு தெரியும். ஏன்னா நான் படிக்க போறது வந்து ஃபுல் டைம் ரெசிடென்ஷியல் ஆடிட்டிங் காலேஜ்ல. டிஸ்ட்ராக்ஷன் ஃப்ரீ என்விரான்மெண்ட், பெஸ்ட் டீச்சர்ஸ் கைடன்ஸ், நல்ல ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கம்யூனிட்டியோட இருக்கிற காலேஜ்ல படிக்க போறேன்.
இப்படி ஒரு காலேஜ் இருக்கா என்ன?
ஈரோடு பக்கத்துல NMC ஆடிட்டிங் காலேஜ்னு ஒரு இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் இருக்கு. அங்க CA and CMA கோச்சிங் கொடுத்துட்டு வராங்க. நீயும் CA தானே படிக்கலாம்னு இருந்த. நம்ம 2 பேரும் NMCலயே அட்மிஷன் போட்டுடலாமா?
ஆமா, சூப்பர் ஐடியா. ஓகே, உடனே அப்பா அம்மாவை கூட்டிட்டு NMC காலேஜ் போயிடலாம்.
அட்மிஷன் போடலாம், CA ஆகலாம்.
சூப்பர்.
எஸ்.